Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So I just got a pretty big box in the mail from IPSY and they sent over 2 boxes. So I figured I would just open them with you on camera. I'm assuming since we're in May, these are the May boxes. So this one's bigger, this one's smaller. And so this guy, which I just discovered is like a little sample bag that they give. This is like, I'm still new to IPSY because they merged with BoxyCharm and now they're one brand. So this says, let yourself bloom. That's the theme for the month. And it's called IPSY Creator Incubator is like what they're calling it. So the theme for the month is let yourself bloom. So you guys know the drill. I open up these boxes and I don't look inside. I don't look at sneak peeks. I literally just put my hands in and see what's inside. So let's get into it. We're gonna start out with the smaller one first. I'm being absolutely savage and I opened it like an animal today, you guys. I also just opened the birds right now. Oh my gosh, they're going crazy. I just opened I just opened April's box. Really late on opening April's box, but I was so impressed by April's box. Like there was so much good stuff. So I'm excited to see if this one can compare and be just as good. So the first product is from Beauty Stat. I'm already excited because it's a vitamin C and I just ran out of my vitamin C. I've become such a skincare junkie over these past like 2 years. I go through skincare like crazy. I have so many skincare empties. I love trying out vitamin C's. I love incorporating products into my routine. And I think honestly, it's just like as you get older, I hate saying that word older. It has like such a negative connotation, but as I gracefully get wiser with age, I love taking good care of my skin. It just becomes more important to you. When you're in your 20s, you don't really care as much and you're dealing more with like acne. So, or at least I was. So really trying to take good care of my skin. So this says it has 20% vitamin C L-ascorbic acid. It brightens, retexturizes, and firms. So this also has squalane in it and camellia leaf extract. I use vitamin C's in the morning. That's my preferred time to use them. I think that's when they perform the best and it's also like proven. It says skin tone and texture become more even, lines, wrinkles, and dark spots are diminished, and skin becomes firmer, skin glows. It's the most important active component of green tea. It synergizes with vitamin C for the strongest anti-aging protection. So excited that I got this in the box because like I said, just ran out. So I love vitamin C. I really feel like it makes a huge difference in your skin. Okay, next product. This is Style Dry. What? Is this a hair product, I'm assuming? Pineapple and coconut polishing primer with horsetail plant extract. Now, I don't know if this is a hair product. Oh yeah, horsetail plant extract is ideal for healthy looking hair and lets it feel nourished and soft. Use before your styling regime, a must-have in any routine. This is interesting, but it doesn't have like any information on here. Like, is it a heat protectant? Like, it's just saying it's a primer. It says apply to wet or dry hair, place in your palms and rub together, work in your hair and scalp. Make sure to show love to the ends. Okay, I mean, I love styling creams. I'm big into them. I didn't do my hair today. I just put in braids because last night I showered like really late. I did my like self tanner lotion, which I feel like it didn't get me that dark. I feel like my body's like getting immune to the one that I use, my lotion. And then I fell asleep with wet hair on the couch. So braids it is. Okay, next up we have Trace Loose Beauty. This is Playa Dreams Duo Highlighter. It says create a beachy glow with this compact that has 1 cream and 1 powder highlighter. Buildable with nourishing vitamin E. Okay. Oliver, are you helping? I feel like, have I got this before? I feel like maybe I got this once before. Okay, so here's what it looks like. They have like a little protector over the cream. I honestly will probably not use that, so I'm gonna put this into my giveaway bin, but it is really nice. Okay, next up, this is Love Craft Beauty. Dual tip liquid liner. I don't think this brand doesn't sound very familiar to me, but so we have, okay, it's like a pen and then, oh, a smaller pen. Oh, is that a felt tip? The birds are just going off today, you guys. Dual tip liquid liner. Okay, cool. I like that there's two different sides. So liquid liners, I think it's cool that you have two different options for sizes. And I wear a liquid liner like every day. No one can stop me, okay? And the last product in the small box, Iconic London. I love Iconic London. This is the Beachside Babe eyeshadow palette. Do you guys see my tattoo? I did a poll on Instagram. Hi! I did a poll on Instagram asking people if they thought it was fake or if they thought it was real. So let me know what you guys think. Do you think I got a tattoo? And it's butterflies, and I actually really like this. It's butterflies. I love butterflies. Okay, Oliver has decided to join us, right, baby? Yes. Oh, I love you. I love you. Are you my little angel pie? You guys, look at this face. Are you my angel? Are you such an angel? Hey, Giz. You want to say hi to YouTube? Okay, you want to show them the palette? Do you like this one? Do you love it? Is this your favorite? You're so sweet. Hi, Giz. You're so sweet. He loves anytime I'm on the floor like this, sitting down, just sitting on my lap. He loves it. He's a snuggle cat. Okay, so let's look at the colors. Oh, this is cute. These are fun. Ooh, we have golds, we have oranges, some blues. I really like this color. I love those like deeper reds. It says elevate your eye glam with a tropical twist, 12 high pigment beach inspired shades, matte and buttery finishes. Okay, cool. That's an adorable palette. So that was box number 1. Now let's move into this bigger box. I opened up the box with a scissor. So let's reach inside. Stop right now. MAC Magic Extension Fiber Mascara. I've actually seen this at TJ Maxx and Marshalls before. It says ditch your false lashes. I mean, that sounds like it could work. I don't know. We'll see. The packaging's really cool. I actually am wearing some falsies today that I really like. They're the Ioni Wispy Spiky, just so you guys know. And I cut them in half and I put them on the outer corners, and it's one of my favorite lashes. But if this is gonna make my lashes look long, I mean, ooh, I like the brush. This is the type of brush I like, where it's like the natural bristles, and it's like you have the bristles that are like regular length and then they get smaller. This looks a lot like Lash Princess. So I can't wait to try this out tomorrow. That's like my favorite type of brush. Brushes, you guys, like whenever someone's raving about a mascara and then I see it's a plastic brush, I'm like, ooh, like I just know I'm not gonna love it. Case in point, Milani Anti-Gravity. Everyone raved about it and I was like, oh great, because it's a plastic brush. Okay, next, feels like a skincare. This is Redo It Boost Lavender Calm. It says it's design. Oh, see, that's interesting. It's designed in Switzerland, but it's made in China. They had me straight up fooled. I'm like, oh, it's made in Switzerland. What is this though? Is it a tool? Lavender Calm. I don't know what this is, you guys. I'm gonna have to look at the pamphlet. Wow, hello. Okay, Anastasia lipstick. This is a satin lipstick in a warm peach. Already sounds like a nude and I'm excited. Packaging, really nice. So pretty. This is so pretty, you guys. This is a me color. So far, this box is really good. Next, excuse me, JLo Beauty. I've never tried anything from JLo Beauty. Look at this really beautiful packaging. This is That Blockbuster Hydrating Cream. So cool. Oh my gosh. We're gonna have to see about that, but I'm excited to try JLo Beauty for the first time. Such a good box so far. Oh my gosh. Okay, next, an Anastasia box. There's a lot of Anastasia stuff in here and I'm not complaining. This is the cream bronzer in caramel. Huge cream bronzer girly, so this is exciting. Ooh, this is a nice summer color. It's very warm. Oh, look at that fresh, non-touch surface. Okay, all this is making me really excited. This is such a stinking good box. IPSY, I'm very impressed with you. Up, we have brushes. I swear I get all my brushes from IPSY and BoxyCharm. These are from Alamar Cosmetics. And these are 3 brushes, and these are actually really nice. We have a blending brush, a packing brush, and a lining brush. I actually really like these lining brushes for doing my like nose contour down the center, and also they're nice for carving the brow and also carving the like liner if you mess up your liner. And then these 2 look really nice as well. Those 2. So that's a really nice brush set. I think we have 2 products left in here. I have a body cream from Skin Inc. I've seen their products I think also at TJ Maxx recently. This is the Body Sculpt Serum that melts into skin to lift tone, appearance, and smooth appearance of uneven skin for brighter and healthier glow. Anti-rich caffeine stimulates circulation to help tighten and firm. People always say caffeine is good for like cellulite. Niacinamide helps to reduce appearance of lines. Made in Korea. Oh, okay, it's a K-beauty brand. There's that. And then we are on our final product, you guys. Anastasia. She's back for the final product. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is, wait, no, you guys, this is one of the palettes. I have not had an Anastasia palette in, I want to say like 5 years, so I am like blown away right now. This is the Primrose palette. What the what? It says it's an all-in-one palette for effortless looks, and it looks like it has eyeshadows and then blushes. Okay, let's open her up and see. Wow, this palette is humongous. Well, not humongous, but it's really long. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay. This is a really cute palette. The shimmers are not really like, I don't like these shimmers, like a gold and a copper, not really my thing, but the other colors like the mattes are really pretty. And then we have, looks like a blush and a bronzer. So that's really cool. I wouldn't have like went out and bought this on my own, to be quite honest with you guys, but to get it in a box, sure, I mean, I'll try it. So interesting how they did like kind of a combo palette. I think they have never done that before, but I'm not also like too up to date on everything going on in the beauty news, but this is super cool. It has a nice packaging too with like the texture. Okay, wow, that was a quite impressive box. The sample bag, let's open this too. A little bag, so cute for summer. Can it just be summer forever, you guys? Like, honestly, I love it. I love it. Okay, we have Korra's Foaming Cream Cleanser. We have Kismet Baby, look like a lip gloss. It's a pretty color. And we have, oh how cute, Ciate Velvet Skin Cream Blush in Sassy, but it's like a little mini. And then this BFF, oh I've got this, the Brow Friends Gel. This really tiny little eye duty serum from First Aid Beauty. So cute, and I like that they give you these bags so you can reuse them. Like I would use this as a little makeup bag. We have reached the end. What did you guys think? I thought this was really good. Like all this Anastasia stuff. The JLo cream, have to read about that and see what that's all for. The Anastasia lipstick, the MAC mascara, the palette, like that's really crazy. So overall, I think this is an amazing value, and I was really, really impressed by this month's IPSY boxes. So thank you guys so much for watching. I believe I have a code. I don't know if my BoxyCharm code works for IPSY. I'll put it in the description box for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys like unboxings like this, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.